Good afternoon. My name is Malher, and I am the mother of Kent Moore. I'm here again to advocate for my son who has experienced bullying, cyberbullying, and harassment at Sanger West High School. I began raising my concerns in March of 2024, requesting that the school collaborate with the police to take down an Instagram page created to mock my son and his disabilities. It wasn't until I spoke at the school board meeting on August 27, 2024, that I finally gained some attention. Remarkably, the Instagram page I had repeated asked the district to remove vanished overnight after my public appearance. However, the district's response has been more than disappointing. Since then, many families have come forward with similar experiences, primarily from Sanger, which raises significant concerns for me as a parent of Sanger Unified. What began as a single incident has revealed a troubling culture. If I weren't educated, bilingual, and aware of my rights, how would I have navigated this situation? How would I have advocated for my son's safety and mental health? How could I have filed a police report, as Student Resource Officer Mike Aguilar suggested? Over the course of 5 months, I had to do extensive research to prioritize my son's safety. I want to thank Hal Yang, CEO of the Fresno Center and Stop the Hate Coalition. We want to invite all of you to join us for a unity walk on Thursday, September 26th at 4:30 p.m., followed by speeches, including my son's full story. We encourage you to come and listen to my struggles as a parent fighting for my child. Moms, single parents, parent of a child with disability, just any parent, you are not alone. You need to be your child's voice. This issue isn't just on TV. It's happening right here in our community, potentially affecting more children than we realize. Let's stand together. Come out. Thank you.